Hello and welcome. In this video we'll be showing you what's in my gadget backpack. The bag is an Amazon Basics bag, which is priced around 400 to 600 rupees. It has a single zip compartment and inside that there is a padded socket for laptop or tablets. At the front there is a small zipper pocket to store sunglasses or some essentials. There is also a bottle holder on both sides. We are going to be giving away a brand new bag to one lucky winner, and if you want to participate in the giveaway, then subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends, hit that like button and leave a comment. In the small zipper pocket I have some mint and then I have the Mi Basic earphones, which I use all the time for listening to music or watching videos. On one side I have a half-liter water bottle. Moving on to the main compartment, I have my 13-inch HP 2-in-1 convertible laptop. Behind the laptop there is a zipper where I keep my charger. Then I have my 1TB hard disk inside its case. And then there is my Rapper wireless mouse, as I use this mouse for video editing instead of the built-in trackpad. Then there is a notebook and a pen to take notes or video ideas. Then I have my HP 7200 mAh power bank with dual USB port. And then there is a pouch in which I keep cables, pen drives and other accessories. This bag can be very useful for one-day trips or attending some events. I will have links to all the products in the description. Do let us know what you think about our gadget backpack. Thank you for watching.